Good morning, students. Myself, Dr. R.K. Narang, Vice Principal cum Professor at ISF College of Pharmacy. So, in this series of lectures or records, today our topic is why to opt pharmacy profession after 12th examination. As you all of know that to get admission in pharmacy profession, the eligibility or requirement is 10+2 with medical or non-medical groups or subjects. Medical in the sense physics, chemistry, bio, and non-medical physics, chemistry, mathematics. So why to opt pharmacy profession as career opportunity after 12th? See, the parents are more worried after 12th. When we take admission in first standard, we always see that from 1st to 12th, no parent worried about the career. After 12th, they discuss with their relatives about the next opportunities. They discuss with the seniors. They discuss with the more knowledgeable person surrounding them. So, why pharmacy profession is good? The main thing is to get fame and name. For middle class, especially for middle class families, pharmacy profession is good. We got a number of opportunities in pharmacy profession. Number one, if we want to do a job in good department, in government department, in non-government department, if we want to work as entrepreneur, we want to own our business, we want to do our own business, then also this profession is good. Starting from the pharmaceutical industry, there are a lot of opportunities. Number one, in pharmaceutical industries. In pharmaceutical industries, there are three options, majority, for B Pharm as well as for M Pharm students. One is प्रोडक्शन, जहाँ पे पूरी ये फार्मास्यूटिकल इंडस्ट्री अपना जो दवाइयाँ हैं वो बनाती हैं, प्रोडक्शन डिपार्टमेंट. इन प्रोडक्शन डिपार्टमेंट वी कैन ऑप्ट एज प्रोडक्शन मैनेजर, प्रोडक्शन असिस्टेंट. आफ्टर प्रोडक्शन द नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज टेस्टिंग. टेस्टिंग मीन्स QA डिपार्टमेंट और एनालिटिकल डिपार्टमेंट. देयर आर लॉट ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटीज इन QA एज वेल एज इन एनालिटिकल डिपार्टमेंट इन फार्मास्यूटिकल इंडस्ट्री. प्रोडक्शन हो गया आपका, एनालिसिस हो गया, इसके बाद क्या बचा? मार्केटिंग. बनने के बाद टेस्ट भी होगी, मार्केटिंग. मार्केटिंग मीन्स टू मार्केट ऑल द ड्रग्स, टू एडवर्टाइज अमंग द डॉक्टर्स. सो इन दिस केस वी कैन वर्क एज स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम द मेडिकल रिप्रेजेंटेटिव और सेल्स मैनेजर, देन एरिया सेल्स मैनेजर, then zonal sales manager, then sales manager. So there are a lot of opportunities among marketing also, and people are earning a very huge amount in marketing department. Then is government department. कई पेरेंट्स को होता है कि नहीं, हमें तो हमारे बच्चे को तो गवर्नमेंट डिपार्टमेंट में कोई ना कोई जॉब चाहिए, कि गवर्नमेंट के लिए थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा अग्रेसिवली वो ध्यान देते हैं कि गवर्नमेंट डिपार्टमेंट में जॉब चाहिए. आफ्टर डूइंग फार्मेसी वी कैन ऑप्ट ए नंबर ऑफ गवर्नमेंट जॉब्स लाइक एज फार्मासिस्ट, नंबर वन, इन हॉस्पिटल्स, इन प्राइवेट हॉस्पिटल्स एज वेल एज गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल्स. देन वी कैन ऑप्ट फॉर ड्रग इंस्पेक्टर, nowadays food inspector and other inspectors in case of testing. We can also join the government departments. There are a number of other departments like pharmacovigilance department in government sector, clinical research department in government sector. These are also administrative posts. Among WHO offices, Red Cross offices, State Pharmacy Council offices, there are a number of government jobs as administrative posts. Then come to entrepreneurship. It's all depends upon our inventory, upon our financial condition. Like if one want to invest approximately 20-25 lakhs, we can go for a good chemist shop. We can run a good chemist shop. More than that, we can go for loan license system. Loan license system means we don't want to go for chemist shop. We are not able to make a good pharmaceutical house, so we can start with the loan license. Means we can get our products, manufacture them from a third party. तो थर्ड पार्टी से मैन्युफैक्चर करवा के हम अपने नाम से अगर उसको सेल करते हैं, जब आपके पास एक बहुत अच्छा सिनेरियो, मार्केटिंग स्ट्रेटजी, एक मार्केटिंग बैकग्राउंड हो जाएगा, देन यू कैन इन्वेस्ट as your own pharmaceutical production unit. If you have very good investment, then you can directly open your own pharmaceutical production unit. Now, this was the scenario of jobs in India. There is a lot of job opportunities in abroad also. If we want to go for higher education, after B.Pharm, we can opt MS PhD program. For that, one have to clear GRE as well as TOEFL, depending upon the academic requirement of other countries. In US, TOEFL and GRE is required. In Canada, IELTS as well as GRE is required. So we can opt MS PhD program. This is 5-year integrated program. During this program, student get scholarship worth $1,600 per month for regular 5 years. Then, if we want to go for other educational options, we can opt postgraduate diploma in pharmaceutical, in quality assurance, in analysis in abroad. In abroad, when we'll settle there, we can clear the NAPLEX exam, or we can clear the NAPLEX or other pharmacy exam to work as a registered pharmacist over there. So, dear students, just have a look in the pharmacy profession. If you don't have money to go for medical, if you are not interested in medical, if you are not interested in this engineering because of shortage of jobs, some people are saying there are shortage of jobs, but nowadays, from the last 1 year, there is tremendous growth in the job opportunities. There are tremendous jobs in pharmacy profession just because of COVID and in other healthcare department. So students, if you require any type of help, any type of guidance for career opportunity in pharmacy profession, please come and touch us. You can visit our website www.isfcp.org. You can visit our Twitter account, ISF College of Pharmacy. You can visit our Facebook account, ISF College of Pharmacy. And you can directly come to the college and see the difference. So before seeking admission, just come to the institute, visit once and see the difference. Thank you.